No.
That sounds good.
I am Danielle, and this is Whitney, and this is our YouTube channel. Woo! Notice if you're watching this, your necklace was freaking ugly, so we threw it away.
So I kind of did that on purpose, and Josh, for your helmet, I did that too, purposely.
It was in the bush, but we found it about 2 days later, and we broke the strap. I'm kidding, it was already broken.
No, it was just gated. I took looking like that.
Okay, so.
Bag it. Bag it. Halfway.
Okay, how are we going to do this?
If you're horny. Honk. If you're horny.
Like, you're extremely close to you.
Honk! Stop your so much fun, lady!
Right there!
This is what we have been doing all Sunday. Come on, Bonnie!
Nobody likes you. Okay. Boo!
Boo!
Sweet.
Woo! Yes, see, you get money like that.
New. Like
Crayola.
Crayola.
Bob, say it. Woo! Saget Bob.
Sounds
Saget
weird.
Bob. Bob Saget. Danielle.
Okay. Well. Here comes the car, Whitney. Unless they turn. Get your sign, get your sign.
Yes, here comes my honking in action.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Open these ones up. See, these are fresh Crayola crayons.
Brand spanking new.
You can't really see the word Crayola on that pink one. See?
Crayola. Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to be drawing little
Ready?
crap. Like we saw I drew yesterday.
I like the bug.
Run!